Last study. Start. The government order dated 25/3/1995, a copy whereof has been placed on record as Annexure 2 to the writ petition is also in similar line. In view of the above, the government order dated 6/6/2009 apparently can be said to be applicable to the members of the police force of subordinate rank who are governed by provisions of 1861 Act and the rules and regulations framed thereunder. If the said government order is sought to apply to the police officers of subordinate rank as discussed above, that would be inconsistent with the provisions of police regulations and therefore would be ultra vires to that extent and cannot be applied even otherwise. I may also consider this aspect by analyzing various regulations. Regulation 520 provides that all gazette officers are transferable by the government. The police officers up to rank of inspector throughout the province can be transferred by the Inspector General. Learned Standing Counsel pointed out, and as admitted by learned counsel for the petitioners, that the Inspector General, as it then was, is now Director General of Police, since the power of Inspector General is now restricted to a police zone concerned and not the entire state of UP. Similarly, Deputy Inspector General of Police within his range can transfer the police officers of subordinate rank. For the time being, I am not taking a specific cases provided under Rule 520 of the police regulations, since for my purpose the general description of the rules would be suffice. Regulation 524 empowers a superintendent of police to transfer a police officer below the rank of inspector within a district. In respect to the inspectors and officers in charge of a police station, the superintendent of police within his district may transfer, but before that he has to obtain approval of the district magistrate, since under the police regulations, district magistrate is the authority principally responsible for criminal administration within the district. The aforesaid powers are statutory and do not admit of any interference of any other authority. Considering the nature of the service, it is well understandable within the zone an Inspector General of Police is responsible for the administration of police force, and same is the position in respect to the Deputy Inspector General of Police posted in a range and Superintendent of Police and Senior Superintendent of Police in a district, as the case may be, as is evident from Section 4 of 1861 Act. If there is any disturbance or deficiency in of law and order situation etc., it is not only the individual lowest police officer in the rank would be responsible, but even the officers in the hierarchy would be responsible. In order to ensure the law and order and proper administration, if higher authority finds transfer and posting of a police officer at a particular place necessary under the statute, he can be transferred by such an authority, and so long as the decision is bona fide. I do not find as to how such exercise of power by such authority under the statute can be set at naught by referring to an executive order introducing a third authority. Stop.